Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this mother recipe. It's mother's recipe mixed pickle South Indian style, and the net weight of the product is 300 gram, as you can see over here. What else? This green mark signifies that it's pure vegetarian. So what else? Yep, it's a product of India, and all the ingredients are mentioned over here. Whatever information, expiry and production date, everything is mentioned over here. And all the veggies, whatever is used in producing this product, has been mentioned over here. Let's open the seal. You can see that it's properly sealed, so before that you can't open it before, and it's very tight, guys. My hand just pain. Maybe I'll try. Got it. So you can have a closer look what it looks like. Now with the help of a spoon, I'm gonna pick little bit pickle just to taste what it actually tastes like. Wow. It tastes really good. Salty, not much spicy, very balanced and very yum. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And this product is available everywhere. Go and try the Indian pickle. It would be amazing. Thank you.